nice fuzz right there, where that was like sand bass. This fuzz, we'll see if it's pescado. Hopefully it's bait. All right, Franco, left hand in front of the reel, son. Left hand in front of the reel. Oh, look at that. 4 at a time on the spotted bay bass. Edwin's on 2. 2 at a time.
Oh, nice one.
Spotted bay bass, all you want, full speed. Good thing we ran in here for this, huh? Look at that. The gaggle of sand bass. Woohoo! Yeah, Franco, are we having fun now?
Got it?
That's good. Shove it in the hole, baby. All right, well, those aren't